Any mention?
With my lord's permission, my colleague, Advocate Sarah, has joined from Bangalore just to attend the proceedings, but she is deaf. So an interpreter would also join if my lord's permit to interpret.
Could not follow what submission you're making.
She is deaf. A lawyer from Bangalore. She just wants to attend proceedings in different courts. She attended in Supreme Court on Friday. She would like to attend the proceedings of this court today. So if my lord may permit the interpreter to interpret for on the screen. We have an interpreter. He'll join virtually.
This court can permit it.
My lord, Supreme Court is permitted. The Chief Justice of India.
I do not know what about here. Anyway, if there is no, can it be any?
If it doesn't cause any disturbance, I think.
Well, this is right under the RPWD Act to have reasonable admission.
All right, there is no problem.
Grateful.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4 of today's list, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we are supposed to file the affidavit. Supposed to submit the reply affidavit today, but we are.
Reply affidavit is there in the record, I think. This one, this case.
No, Lordship. From the petitioner, it is.
Give me item number 4. Hearing. No file of affidavit. The affidavit in opposition and all. See, there is a reply affidavit filed on 10/10/2019.
No, Lordship, not for the that one, Lordship. For the affidavit filed by respondent number 3 on 12/10/2022.
There is no affidavit filed on 31/10/2022. One affidavit was filed.
In for order dated 12/10/2022, the affidavit was filed by them on 31/10/2022. By respondent number 3. It's a small affidavit, Lordship.
It's all right. There is no question of small or big affidavit.
Actually, Lordship, we are
If
supposed
you
to
have filed a reply against the affidavit in opposition,
Lordship,
then
Lordship, we are supposed to file it today, but unfortunately, we are not aware of the part of the verification it's required in Meghalaya High Court. Actually, it is not required in Guwahati High Court. So we may be given some time to file it.
we'll just adjourn it. You file it.
Okay, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention.
Wait, just a minute. This order is to be passed. Where is the? No order. Court has not passed any order in that one. Wait. Item 4.
Lordship.
Yes, you are for the petitioner, isn't it?
Yeah, Lordship.
Yes. Give your name, please.
Lordship.
MS So-and-so. Learning Counsel for the petitioner. Place for grant of 2 weeks time
Lordship.
for filing a rejoinder affidavit.
Lordship.
Is it correct?
Reply affidavit.
Reply affidavit. Stop. The prayer has not been opposed by the learned counsel for the respondents. Prayer allowed least after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Item number 5.
Yes.
Can it be fixed on after 1 week?
Why, you are for the respondents?
I'm for the respondent, state respondent.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay, item 5 on the prayer made by learned counsel for the respondent. List this matter after 2 weeks.
1 week.
1 week.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
We on joint request we beg to mention item number 9, Lordship.
Joint request, you are making a request alone. Who is joining you?
On my
Item number?
9, Lordship.
nine.
He is for the private respondent.
I'm for the
Okay. On the joint prayer made by the parties, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Item 9.
Lordship. Must rest, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
no objection.
You are for the respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
My lord, he is for private respondent. I appear for the state as well.
So you are opposing the prayer.
My lord, actually, it is him will be affected, my lord. So if they are not doing him, I have no.
So you are supporting.
Not my. I'm ready for the hearing.
So neither opposing nor supporting.
No, my lord. If the matter is taken up, I'm ready for the matter.
Okay. On the prayer made on the behalf of the private respondent, number
4, Your Lordship.
4. List this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Appeals.
Mr. Day, you are also there.
No, my lord.
Lordship, I beg to item number 7 also. Your Lordship. I have informed the other party.
And who is the respondent?
I am not sure. For the respondent, Your Lordship.
This is what, quashing?
Yes, Lordship. We are challenging the order passed by in proceeding 145. Lordship.
No objection.
No objections, Lordship.
Well, Mr. Soin, sir, Learned Counsel appearing for the Mr. Haniuta, isn't it?
Yes.
Mr. Haniuta appearing for the petitioner. Praise for grant of 2 weeks time. Stop. Counsel for the respondents have no objection. List after 2 weeks.
All right.
My lord, item number 10 and 11. In this matter, I am challenging the. I'm praying for quashing of the FIR.
Yes.
But it was brought into the notice of this honorable court that a supplementary FIR was also lodged subsequently.
Yes.
In this matter, my lord, I was directed to produce the FIR. But they are bringing it from Tura, my lord. They are on the way. They have already reached Badapani somewhere, my lord. So, my lord, can this matter be adjourned for a day or for a week? And I was also directed to supply
To the respondents, if they do not object, so
We have no objection, Your Lordship.
come
Let
after
all the
me.
papers be on record.
And I may be allowed to file that FIR as an additional affidavit to produce before this honorable court.
if it is required, we will see at the time of hearing. See, this is quashing thing.
Quashing.
Mostly we will be concerned with the FIR.
Yes.
Yes.
No,
And
there
that is a part of the.
no. There is a supplementary FIR.
That is what. If that is also a part, then we will be concerned with that. Any additional thing,
My lord.
we'll just see if, depending on the situation.
And a copy has to be given, furnished to the counsel for the private party.
Yes,
also.
we'll do that. We'll do that. You have served.
Mr.
We have
S.
served, my lord.
Yes, Mr. S. Day, Learning Counsel for the appearing for the petitioner submits that the supplementary affidavit, FIR or what?
Supplementary FIR.
It is not a supplementary, it's a suo motu FIR filed by the police, Your Lordship.
No, what do you call
addition-
it?
We cannot call it supplementary because it's a separate matter and separate sections are there, Your Lordship. Plus, under the Official Secrets Act also it's. Hmm?
In
Yes.
the last order, in fact, the Lordship has already passed the order that
That they should give the FIR. Append the FIR with the application for quashing the proceedings,
This FIR was challenged in the criminal petition, my lord.
but was not appended. This FIR is dated.
The file.
No, this is in a different case number.
Yes,
Case number
yes.
44.
It's a different case, not a different case was registered.
What did you say, Mr. Day, appearing for petitioner? Submits that the copy of the FIR
Given here.
in Tura PS case number 44 within bracket 4 of 2023 has not been furnished to him for filing before this court. and prays for grant of some more time for the same. Stop.
This is the first.
The learned counsel appearing for the respondents have no objection.
First is this one.
List this matter after a week. After 1 week.
After a week.
Pleasure, Lordship.
You just say prayer allowed, list.
Item number 10 and 11 is same matter.
For 10, 11.
Yes.
Same order.
Same order.
It arises out of same FIRs. In both
wait.
the cases, same
Two
FIRs are
cases are
involved.
for 2 FIRs, isn't it?
No, my
Same
lord.
FIR,
In
two
same
people are
Which? Two different accused.
two different accused have approached.
Yes.
Main list, item number 1.
It is wet. Water. You have to. This part is wet.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Just. Can you get? Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes. Why? घाम गिरा है ना पानी गिरा है कुछ बोले. Sorry. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, my senior from Guwahati, they are supposed to appear in this instant case, Your Lordship, but due to some personal difficulties, they cannot appear today, Your Lordship.
So when do you want it?
So, Your Lordship, may kindly list on 29, Your Lordship.
Yes, on the request made on behalf of the petitioner. List this matter on
29.
29th.
Yes, Your Lordship, Friday.
This is not a state. State is not a party here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Your
this
Lordship,
is
may
matter
kindly
of
allow
29th.
me, Lordship, to implead the state respondent.
Okay.
Like Lordship.
Item number 2.
May it please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I have been requested by another chamber from Guwahati, Your Lordship, to make a mention. I have been requested by another chamber.
Yes. What is the status of?
My lord, we have signed the agreement. Interestingly, my lord, we signed the agreement on the last date the case was fixed, and as the submission was made by
Some
the
counsel
learned
appeared for the Guwahati, I think.
So submission was made that his party will sign in Guwahati and payment for the first installment.
That was the
will be made.
submission was.
But my lord, submission was made that
He will be signing in Guwahati. That is what it said.
And my lord, thereafter, first installment was supposed to be paid. My lord, we are still nothing is there, my lord.
So what is to be done?
So now, yesterday, I got a call from my learned friend from Guwahati. He said that one last opportunity may be given because even he's been put in a tight spot by the.
No, see, the order says that you are waiting for execution of agreement.
I mean, absolutely, my lord, because what had happened here, my lord, a warrant was issued. So when the matter came up, my lord, they came up with a proposal of settlement. We were agreeable to that. So, my lord, from the month of March till now, my lord, we've been,
they are playing with the
they are
situation.
playing with the. I fail to understand what to say also, my lord. But since one last opportunity has been asked, my lord, perhaps for whatever reason, I think perhaps the counsel from Guwahati will appear himself after a week, my lord. Then thereafter, if matters does not, if we cannot settle the matter, we'll go for the. My lord, we'll argue the matter finally, because. Well, it's all been more than 5-6 months, my lord. You even signed the agreement.
See, last order says that the settlement has been reached.
My lord, agreement was there. Agreement was shown, my lord. He made a submission that his party will sign in Guwahati for whatever reasons. We signed the agreement over here, my lord. We were agreeable to whatever he wanted. Now, my lord, from his end, nothing has come. From our end, we have done everything, all of whatever we possible. But one last opportunity may be given because, my lord, a personal request has been made by the council from Guwahati. Just for a week, my lord. Thereafter, if nothing comes up.
Okay. On the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Just 1 week, my lord. 2 weeks.
List this matter after a week.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.